In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix CoinGecko login problem. So if you're having login problem in CoinGecko app, there are various ways to fix it. The first thing that you can do is simply check your internet connection. Sometimes the problem might be occurring because of poor network. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try checking the credentials. Make sure the login credentials that you've entered are correct. Simply check the credentials and enter the right credentials. After that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some bugs in the application itself. In that case, in order to fix it, what you can do is update it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for CoinGecko. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for CoinGecko and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, simply tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. After that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for CoinGecko and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem will surely be solved. So that is how you fix CoinGecko login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.